Now, Open RAN is one of those areas in the radio area network that's at a critical stage. The RAN is disaggregating. This has not happened in the past. And the RAN used to be built in a monolithic way with a single supplier. The RAN is disaggregating, and $1 trillion of spend is going to happen in the next 5 years. The role that VMware is playing is critical in this RAN disaggregation, and ORAN is the center of what is happening. So ORAN, which stands for Open RAN, is really bringing together different ecosystem partners and putting together an area network built for 5G. VMware is playing the pivotal role in there because we have the software stack that is used not just to support these ecosystem partners, but to bring in all of the innovation that they bring.
So at Cellwize, we've always believed in holistically managing the RAN. Opening it up is more elements, more interfaces, and at the end of the day, we need to deliver connectivity to the end users. And we've always believed that it needs to be open.
If we open up the network, if we make it cloudified, if we make it programmable, what that implies is that every layer of the stack can come from different vendors, new innovative startups, academia even, and allow people to bring in innovation much more quickly into the cellular network infrastructure.
Over the last several years, we've seen more and more interest, more and more openness from our carrier customers to bring on their own ideas, to be able to self-develop, self-implement their own ideas into the network.
By disaggregating the RAN architecture, ORAN has basically enabled many new players to innovate, like Cohere Technologies with its Spectrum Multiplier software, VMware with its near real-time RIC, and cloud-based RAN platform.
VMware is a leading provider of multi-cloud services for all applications. So we're very, very excited to be able to work with VMware because they are providing one of the leading RIC platform in the whole industry. So we deliver our solution as access on top of that platform.
So we've been collaborating with VMware on a very firm understanding that this openness and management of the RANs is going to bring piece parts that exist in Cellwize, piece parts that exist in VMware, and piece parts that need to be built, as well as a vibrant marketplace of partners that will come together to really put some truth behind this openness. It's no longer enough to just look at things vertically. We have to disaggregate ourselves as the industry is disaggregating.
The vendors only have one choice for one network. So now vendors have all the choices. So you really can pick the best in breed in every element. And with the standardization of interfaces defined by Open RAN, they can work together.
I think telecom is right in the middle of a lot of mega trends. The first one being that everything that can be run on a cloud is going to get run on a cloud. And that means there is an ambition to run the telecom network as a piece of software on a cloud. The second is that as 5G gets deployed, the telecom operators now need to figure out new monetization models that allow application developers to deploy their applications at the edge on top of their network. And finally, the edge is becoming a battleground for a lot of big companies to figure out where they are going to expand the cloud and software footprint. And I think that's really unlocking a lot of excitement.
Because this is the first time that software is coming in and completely and dramatically changing how these networks are built. The disaggregated RAN, the SASE layer on top, and these completely new edge native applications are going to transform how we as human beings connect with the world and connect with one another. We could not be at a more exciting time in the industry, and I'm really super excited by the role that VMware is playing with the service providers and with our enterprise customers.